Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Malayalam fonts in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to the Canva homepage and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the left side panel and click on Brand. This is where you can manage all your custom branding elements, including fonts, colors, and logos that you want to use consistently across your designs. Now that you're in the Brand section, navigate to the Fonts tab. You'll see all the fonts currently available in your brand kit. To add your Malayalam font, click the plus icon. This will open up the font upload interface where you can add custom fonts that aren't available in Canva's default library. Next, click on Upload a font and then click Add New. This action will prepare Canva to receive your custom font file and make it available throughout your account once the upload is complete. A file browser window will now appear. Click Choose Files to open your computer's file explorer. From here, navigate to the location where you've saved your Malayalam font file. Make sure the font file is in one of the supported formats, which are .otf, .ttf, or .bullywaf. Select your Malayalam font file and click Open to proceed with the upload. Before Canva completes the upload, you'll need to confirm that you have the proper permission to use and embed this font. This is an important legal step to ensure you're not violating any font licensing agreements. Check the box to confirm your permission and continue. Now you'll need to wait a moment while Canva processes and uploads your Malayalam font to your account. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on the file size and your internet connection. The system is integrating the font into your brand kit so it's accessible across all your projects. Once the upload is complete, open the design where you want to use your Malayalam font. If you don't have a design open yet, create a new one or select an existing project. Click on a text box in your design or create a new text box by adding a text element to your canvas. With your text box selected, look at the text toolbar that appears at the top of your screen. Click on the Font drop-down menu to see all available fonts. Scroll down through the list until you find the section labeled Uploaded Fonts. Your newly added Malayalam font will be listed here. Click on it to apply it to your selected text, and you'll immediately see your text transform into the Malayalam script. And that's it. You've successfully added and applied a Malayalam font in Canva, giving you the flexibility to create designs in your preferred language with custom typography. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.